the strings.
Uh-oh, what's this? So, I'm over here, Colton's trying to sell me another freaking, another truck. This is actually one of my buddies. Wonder what,
That's a SEMA truck right
wonder what he's doing. Damn. Alright, so this is my buddy. This is 2018, right?
Yes, it is.
So you got that LP5?
Yep.
So what are you doing over here?
Yeah, man, I was looking at the new Raptors actually. Thinking about trading in.
Oh, do you just want to trade me or what?
I was thinking about it.
I'd probably have to give you a little bit of money on top, but
Oh, you're definitely gonna have to throw something on top, that's for sure.
or you gotta like sell the wheels or something off of this thing. What?
No, they'll go with it.
Damn. What size are these bad boys?
Those are 24s.
24 by 14?
Yes, sir.
And you got how big a lift?
It's right now it's probably set at a 7, but it's
Yeah.
7 to 9 adjustable.
Nice. Well, that's sweet. I mean, I know you probably wouldn't trade me, but that, these are good-looking freaking trucks. This is the first time I've actually seen it in person. I've seen you driving around, but it's been a little while. All right, boys. So I've done it again. Wonder what could be the issue with this guy. Let's see if it'll. Supposedly it needs a motor, so we'll see if it even. Sounds like, looks like dead battery. Which kind of sucks, but I guess we'll have to figure it out. I wonder if the little jump box will actually get this guy started. So it won't start, but I got the jump box on it enough to actually get it out of park. So wonder how good of a push I could get on this thing. Baby, what do you think of the new car? Jamie, what do you think of the new car?
Oh, it's so nice.
Is it gonna be yours or no?
So big.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Yeah, she's ready to go home. I need to go drop this guy off though. It's getting a motor today. All right, well, Colton, thank you. I appreciate it.
Yes,
Again,
sir.
guys, Colton Green, Bradley Ford Pueblo.
Bye.
He's your man. Tell him Motion on TV sent you. He'll get you the deal of the century.
That's right.
And he'll let you test drive like 300 cars and you don't even have to buy one, yeah?
Yeah, we gotta do that.
All right, well,
that Raptor review whenever you want to come in and do that. If you want to do that tomorrow, actually, if you're not busy.
Okay, look what I did. So this car literally just killed this camera. Good thing I had the insurance on it. So I'm gonna go try to get this guy exchanged today too.
You give me a high five? Say bye-bye.
All right, well, see you later, Colton. I appreciate it.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye now.
What a sweetheart. Hi boys, so here is my 2013 Ford Fusion SE. So this guy has a little bit of a smell to it. Obviously they spilled some drinks and they did some stuff and it's a little bit dirty. They had some probably kids and I don't know. But I mean it's not terrible. It's got 61,000 miles, clear title. It has a kind of some light hail on it. I don't know if you could actually see any of that stuff. And yeah, 2.5. I'm dropping it off at my buddy's shop. He's gonna pull the motor tonight. I'm gonna grab the core from him tomorrow, go grab a motor, and she should be running by the end of the week, I hope. But we're gonna go ahead and hook a battery charger up to it and try to start it and see kind of what's actually wrong with it, because I haven't been able to do anything with it. All right, boys. Let's see what happens. Ooh. And I don't like the charger. We're gonna have to let her sit for a minute. Oh, wow. All right, round 3. Here we go. Oh, I mean that sounded pretty nice. Round 2, 4. It was spitting fire.
Yeah, big old. Oh, there's a hole in the side of the block, buddy.
Oh, tight. Let's fire it up again.
Oh my God, get the fire. Fire it up. Fire it up. I'll get the extinguisher ready. Damn, this fireball, bro. I swear.
Oh, wow.
Holy shit.
Damn. I bet the cylinder is freaking.
I think the customer was pumped.
Yeah.
My car's on fire.
Man, that's cool.
Yeah. Run.
Hell yeah. All right. Should we do it again?
Yeah,
or should we like?
Get her again. I got this. We're good. I need a video of the fire. Should I? I'll crank it. You just take care of this. I'm not insurance, so.
You don't have insurance?
Not here.
All right. Well, hopefully, just I guess you got to give her a little throttle to get her going, but. Dang.
Did it fire again?
Yeah. Dang. I wasn't expecting this. That's tight. That's really cool. That was a big freaking fireball.
Yeah. I had my face in it. That's crazy.
Well, hopefully this clears out soon. Damn. Alright guys, so I just went to Best Buy and tried to give her the old exchange for the thing that I did. So the issue that we ran into is I paid, this is like a $950 camera, $999 is what I think they originally are. And I paid $780. Actually I ended up paying like $6 something because it was missing some more stuff. So basically they weren't willing to like exchange it. Like in order to get a new one I'd have to pay like $400 and some to get to like the $990, which makes sense because that's, you know, I only paid, you know, $60 for $600 worth of coverage, which makes sense. But they did have a Canon, the G7X Mark II, which is, this is what Adam and like the Boosted Boys and pretty much like 90% of all the YouTubers use. So I guess we'll give this a try. I'm gonna attempt to repair this one through like the Geek Squad like thing where basically you send it to them and they'll like try to fix it, and then I don't know. So I'm essentially just trying to get the same deal that I got because I really do like the RX100 Mark V. They just came out with a Mark VI, and we could have exchanged it for that, but then I would have had to pay like $600 for it too. So we'll see exactly how this thing is, but yeah. So that was pretty much my day. You know, I picked up that Ford Fusion and you know, dropped it off over at my buddy's shop. He's gonna go ahead and put a motor in it. I should be going up tomorrow to actually pick up the engine for it, and then by the end of hopefully by the end of the week or the weekend, should be running and driving, and we'll give her the detail for retail and see what happens with that thing. So I talked a little bit about it in my live stream the other night. I've always been kind of you know, reminiscent of you know, older times, you know, the Craigslist and the things, and you know, my YouTube hasn't been doing that great, I guess, recently, which I'm not necessarily complaining because I know it's my own fault for not doing cool stuff, but it just kind of gave me like this, like, I don't know, just like, let me see if I could do it, you know, let's see what happens. So you gotta have that freaking side hustle. So so that's what's kind of happening with that, and yeah, I think that's pretty much all we did today. My buddy's Hank's truck, he has that 2018 Denali. That thing is just freaking gorgeous. It was just kind of funny that he showed up over there to Ford. I've been kind of interested in the L5ps lately. That's the new Duramax 2017 and up, and they're pretty interesting. Hopefully you guys could have been able to see me good this whole time, but yeah, they're pretty interesting rigs. I guess they have you know, a lot of power potential, but you have to pay like almost $4 grand to freaking get them like deleted and tuned. Actually, just tuned, not even with deletes and stuff. So it's like almost $7 grand to do that stuff. But I just think that's a really good looking freaking truck, and I don't know, that's just a cool looking truck. He let me drive it too, and the inside is like really nice. But appreciate you guys watching, and stay tuned. We got some cool things coming up, and hopefully you guys are freaking stoked because we're making moves, we're doing things, and things are happening, and the secret car's out. I think you guys are seeing that by now. All right, see you guys later.